Now that I've done that, let's see if we can make a pair of earrings. When it comes to making jewelry, earrings always seems to be the most difficult, because with earrings you have to make two of the exact same thing. So what we're going to do is, we're going to get this cowrie shell here, we're going to get this one right here, we're going to get this one here, and this one here, right? You're not going to get two cowrie shells exactly the same, but you come as close as you possibly can. These two look pretty close for a pair of earrings. Okay, let me loosen up my wire here. Okay, and this is 20 gauge copper soft wire. Okay, now this here works basically on the same principle as the other one. Now I'm gonna come right here in the middle, and I'm gonna go up here, right in the center, the same way I did the other one when I made the pendant. But only difference is this is going to be a lighter gauge wire. Okay, I'm going to take my flat pliers and push this down. Okay, now it's going to look something like that. See the nice wrapping around there? Okay, that's one. Then we're going to take another one and we're going to set it right on top of this one. Right on top of this one, and down. Down and through. Okay? Now we're going to take this and wrap it around the exact same way as the other one. Oops, my wrapping is a little off there. Let me put my wrapping back on key. Okay, let's get my wrapping back on key. Okay, so now that's that one. I messed up because I was watching. I should have been watching what I was doing. All right, it'll work out. There you go. So we have something like this, right? Now that we have these two here, we take our snips again. We snip it real close to here, and that's off, right? Now we take our flat plier and we round it around so everything comes even. Okay. So I'm going to take my little file and file it right here so it won't cut anybody. All right, now that I've done that, let's look and see what we have here. See that? Wait a minute, can you see that? Okay, good. See how that looks? Very nice. Very nice. The back, now we turn our back over, we get our pliers here again, and we make that little twist in the back. That twist is very important because that twist tightens up the wire, wherein the shell will definitely not fall out. Okay? You see the twist right there in the back? Okay, now that we have that twist, and this is tight and this is secure, we're going to take this, make that straight, and we're going to take this one and sit it down here for a minute. And now we're going to do the exact same thing to the other one. Okay, so you see how much we got there? Okay, we go about right here is fine. Put it in the middle here, and you wrap it around. 1, 2, 3, 4, do 5 on the last one? Let me see. Yes, 5 is about right. Okay, so I did 1. Now I take the smaller one, put it right in the center here, push it down tight, tight, squeeze it up here, push this one here down into the groove, hold on tight, and I take the wire and I twist it. 1, 2, let's cut some of this wire off because we don't need all this wire twisting around, okay? We get rid of this wire, put that to the side, we don't need it anymore. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that right? Did I do 4 on the other one? Look like about 5 or 6. Okay, so we go again, around and around. Around and around we go. Okay, now take our flat plier and we push it down like this. All right? Make it real tight. We go around again. Okay, let's tighten this here. Remember how we did it on the last one? We put that little twist in there so the shell don't fall out. 1 twist, and we come up here, and we put another twist on it, right? And that tightens everything up, you see? So that little twist there tightens everything up, makes it nice and neat and strong looking, okay? So let's see if we got them both accurate. Okay, we're gonna have to round this one here off. We're gonna have to round this one off a little more. Go around 1, 2. Then you push this down and squeeze this tight. Okay? Now that looks pretty good. So what we do, we take our snip and we snip it right here on the top. Now you got the little piece excess. And now this time we're gonna file it while it's out like this. 1, 2, 3. This filing is very important because it makes the thing, it makes the jewelry, it makes the jewelry look professional, and you want to be as professional as possible because you could either do this for a hobby or you could do this for a business. And if you're doing it for a business, that means you're going to sell it to someone. And if you want to sell someone something, you want to sell them something that is professional, nice, okay? So now, this is what we have. We have these 2 pieces here. And these are the 2 pieces. They look pretty nicely alike, right? So now what we're going to do is we're going to take our snip and come right here on the top about that much. So we have something like this. So we have something like this. Now that we have something like this, let's take these here and put them back to back, right? And we want to have that same measurement as the other one. That should be about right here. Okay? Now you have 2 pieces like this. Now we take our file again, round up the edge, round up the edge. Okay. Now we have 2 of these here. Now this is the very important thing, and you want this to look very nice and very professional. So you get it around about right here, which you round those pliers, and you go 1, 1, 2, come back is 3. Okay, you got 1, 2, come back is 3. then you'll have something like this. See that? It looks very nice, very round. Looks like it looks professional, right? Now you do the exact same thing to the other one. You go one, two, come back as three. The most important thing with this is that you have to make sure this is closed. So when you put the hook on, it won't fall off, okay? So now you have something like this. And what I did was, I forgot to bring a hook to go into the ear. So let's make our own hook real quick, okay? Real quick, got a few minutes to make a hook. This is not, I don't recommend this, but some people actually wear copper in their ear. But usually what we do is we have either 14 karat gold fill or sterling silver going into the ear, because some people are allergic to things like copper and stuff like that going into the ear. So, and this wire here is no good, because this wire here wouldn't be good to make a hook, because this wire is soft. If you're going to make a hook that goes in the ear, you want to make it half hard. Okay? I'm going to file this off just for the record. Okay? I'm going to take this and I'm going to bend this here out. I'm giving you this is a beautiful class. So now you're able to make your own hook. I'm showing you a simple way to make your own hook, but I don't recommend that you use copper. Okay? And I take this hook that I just made, hot off the press hook, and I'm going to close this here up here, and there's my hook. Here's my earring. Let me straighten this out a little bit. That's my earring. Did you see that? That's my earring. This is the hook. This is the hook that's going through the ear, and that's the earring. Beautiful. So, these are cowrie shells. I gave you a nice class. Now, we have an actual set that somebody might want to wear, sell, or give away. So you have a nice pendant and a pair of earrings. Pendant and a pair of earrings, how nice. So, tell me what you think. And I wish you all, with all the circumstances, good health, wealth, and happiness. I should say good health, happiness, and wealth. All right? Y'all tell me what you think. Have a good day. Bye.